Hey guys, this is Siddhi from Best of Beauty and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be reviewing for y'all the newly launched Lakme Iconic Eyeliner, and I'm personally very excited for it because I've heard such great reviews about this and a lot of people rave about the formula. So I'm so excited that I got my hands on it, and today I am going to be using the eyeliner and giving you guys an in-depth and honest review and also testing some of the claims out as well. So it's going to be a really informative video and I really hope that you enjoy it. So let's get started. But before that, if you are new to my channel or if you haven't subscribed already, please make sure to hit the red subscribe button, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. And yeah, let's get started. I personally have always loved Lakme's eye products because I feel like they're very good quality, but they're extremely affordable as well. So I'm really excited to get my hands on this new liquid eyeliner. So here I have with me the Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara, the newly launched eyeliner and the Iconic Kajal as well. So in today's video, I am particularly going to be focusing on the new eyeliner that they have launched, and I'm just going to go through the claims. So what they have mentioned is that it's smudge proof, it's waterproof, it has intense black payoff, it's long lasting up to 24 hours, and it's also easy to remove. So these are really promising claim and I cannot wait to use it on my eyes and get started. So this is how the packaging looks like. I feel like the design of this is just really compact, so it's going to be very easy to travel with. And then once you open it up, you have the applicator. So let's just talk about the applicator a bit. So this is how it looks like up close, and as you can tell that it is extremely thin. So this is going to ensure that there is precise application of the product, which I personally really like because I don't like doing like thick eyeliner. I personally like it to be really thin and closer to my lash line. So this is going to ensure that it does it really well. So I'm just going to swatch this on my hand so you can see the pigment of this. Wow. And as you can tell that it is insanely black. So I'm just going to show you how I apply my eyeliner. So what I do is I stay as close to the lash line as possible because as you can tell that I already have smaller eyes. So I don't do like a thick eyeliner because otherwise it's just going to look too dramatic on my eyes and I don't like that. Just staying as close to the lash line, and I start from the center of my eyes always. And then I go outwards. So because this eyeliner had a really fine tip, it ensured that I could apply like a really thin line across my eyelid, and also this was in one swipe. Like I did not have to go back into the liner to get that sort of pigment and color payoff. This is just in one swipe. So really impressed by how it looks on my eyes right now. And as you can tell that it is super black and it has instantly dried up. Like I remember there used to be times when you used to get those liquid eyeliners and you had to wait for it to dry and so that it doesn't transfer on your eyelid. But obviously this does not do that. It instantly dries up, which I personally really appreciate, and it has dried up on my hand as well. So let's just smudge it and see if it's actually smudge proof or not. Look at that. That's insane. It's not moving at all, and I'm not being light with it. I'm being extremely aggressive and rubbing it, but as you can tell that it has not budged even a little bit, which I really like. So I'm hoping that this is gonna be long lasting because it has not moved at all. And also I'm showing you guys a live demo of everything so y'all can see it for yourselves because I don't want to make up anything and expect you to believe me. So as you guys saw that I ran my hand under water to see if this liner is waterproof or not, and it has not budged whatsoever, and I'm really impressed with it because I know there are a lot of liners say that they're waterproof, but this actually sticks up to the claim. And just look at it, it has not budged, and it was a lot of water as you all saw, like not little water. So really impressed by it, and just the fact that all of this you get at just 250 rupees is such a steal. Like you cannot go wrong with it. So I'm gonna come back at the end of the day and show you guys if the liner still stays intact or not. And yeah, see you guys then. Hey guys, so it's been about 7 hours since I've had the eyeliner on my eyes, and as you can tell that it has not budged whatsoever. It has stayed intact and I am so impressed by the formula on this eyeliner. Really impressed that this liner costs only 250 rupees and you get such a good formula, and I highly recommend you guys checking it out as well. I'm going to leave the links in the description box below so you can shop it for yourselves. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, then please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and let them know about this eyeliner. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram for more such content, and I will see you guys in the next one. Love you.